Congratulations on your engagement. This is such an exciting time in your lives, filled with love and anticipation for the future. Planning a wedding is a wonderful journey that allows you to create a celebration that reflects you as a couple. This guide will provide you with a comprehensive timeline and breakdown of tasks, helping you navigate each step with ease. We'll explore traditional responsibilities and who typically handles them. Plus, we'll share practical tips for managing your budget and reducing stress along the way. Remember, this is your special day, and the journey should be as enjoyable as the destination. Let's embark on this exciting adventure together. This guide will help you create a wedding that is as unique and beautiful as your love story. With careful planning and a touch of creativity, your dream wedding will become a reality. The initial phase of wedding planning sets the foundation for your entire celebration. It's a time for dreaming big, exploring possibilities, and making key decisions that will shape your special day. Set a date. Consider the season, guest availability, and personal preferences. Determine your budget. Decide how much you can comfortably spend. This will guide many of your decisions. Create a timeline. Use this guide as a starting point and customize it to your needs. Choose a wedding style. Will it be formal, casual, modern, or vintage? Let your personalities shine through. During this stage, the couple typically makes these decisions together. It's also a good time to discuss financial contributions from both families if applicable. Remember, open communication is key to a stress-free planning experience. With your foundation in place, it's time to start assembling your dream team of wedding professionals. These experts will play a crucial role in bringing your vision to life. Choose a venue. This sets the stage for your celebration. Consider capacity, location, and aesthetics. Hire a wedding planner, optional. A planner can be invaluable, especially if you have a large guest list or a complex wedding in mind. Book key vendors. This includes a photographer, videographer, caterer, florist, DJ or band, and a cake baker. Save the dates. Give your guests ample notice to mark their calendars. Traditionally, the couple shares the cost of the venue and the planner, if hired. The groom's family often contributes to the photographer and videographer, while the bride's family might cover the caterer and florist. However, these are just guidelines, and modern couples often share expenses based on their preferences and budget. With your major vendors secured, it's time to delve into the finer details that will make your wedding uniquely yours. Choose your wedding party. Ask your closest friends and family members to stand by your side. Select wedding attire. Find the perfect dress, suit, or ensemble that makes you feel confident and radiant. Design your invitations. Your invitations set the tone for your wedding. Choose a style that reflects your theme and formality. Plan your ceremony. Decide on readings, music, and any personal touches you'd like to include. This stage often involves contributions from both families. The bride's family traditionally covers the cost of the wedding attire for the bride and her attendants, while the groom's family might contribute to the groom's attire. Gift expenses for the wedding party are typically covered by the individuals. Section 5, 4 to 6 months to go. Finalizing arrangements and adding personal touches. As your wedding day draws closer, focus on finalizing arrangements and adding those special touches that will make your celebration truly unforgettable. Finalize your guest list. Send out invitations and track RSVPs. Plan your menu. Work with your caterer to create a delicious and memorable meal for your guests. Choose flowers and decorations. Select flowers, centerpieces, and other decor that complement your wedding style. Book transportation. Arrange transportation for yourself and your wedding party if necessary. The couple typically covers the cost of the invitations, while the groom's family traditionally handles the rehearsal dinner expenses. Remember, these are just guidelines, and you can always adjust them to suit your circumstances. Section 6, 2 to 4 months out, confirmations and coordination. The final stretch. You're in the home stretch. Now it's all about confirming details, coordinating with vendors, and tying up loose ends. Finalize vendor details. Confirm arrival times, set up arrangements, and review contracts. Apply for your marriage license. Ensure you have ample time to obtain your marriage license. Plan your rehearsal dinner. Finalize the guest list, menu, and location for your rehearsal dinner. Pack for your honeymoon. Don't forget to pack for your post-wedding getaway. The couple is primarily responsible for coordinating with vendors and handling the legal aspects of getting married. Remember to delegate tasks to your wedding party or family members to ease the workload during these final months. Section 7, 1 to 2 weeks and the big day. A time for celebration and cherished memories. The big day is finally here. It's time to relax, enjoy the fruits of your labor, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Final dress fitting. Ensure everything fits perfectly and make any last-minute adjustments. Confirm the final guest count. Provide your caterer and venue with the final head count. Delegate tasks. Assign specific responsibilities to members of your wedding party to ensure a smooth flow of events. Relax and enjoy. Take a deep breath, trust your vendors, and savor every moment of your special day. On the wedding day itself, the focus shifts from planning to celebrating. Most expenses have already been taken care of, allowing you to embrace the joy and excitement of the day. Conclusion. Embrace the journey, celebrate your love. Planning a wedding is an incredible journey that brings you and your partner closer together. By breaking down the process into manageable steps, you can navigate each stage with confidence and ease. Remember to communicate openly, delegate tasks, and seek support from your loved ones. Most importantly, don't lose sight of what truly matters, celebrating your love and commitment to one another. As you embark on this exciting adventure, cherish the moments, embrace the journey, and let your love story unfold in a celebration that is uniquely yours. Get free downloadable wedding planner below.